Hi there and welcome to the Pit Report. I'm Mark Sebastian, founder of OptionPit.com. Reminder, this is for educational purposes only. This should be considered investment advice. Options have risk. Consult your financial professional. All right, so let's remind everybody that, hey, I have a webinar today, 9 o'clock Eastern Time, 9 o'clock p.m. Eastern Time. All right, you just go right here. Boom. And you're good to go. So get yourself signed up if you have not signed up already. All right, and I was just laughing that, here's how much money Americans are making on the gig economy. Then they show a picture of the dude from Kimmy Schmidt taking a peacock for a walk. I don't know if I would call that the type of American making money from the gig economy, but good enough for me. Anyway, so here we are. We got the market down a little bit. I mean, is that much of a surprise after the massive knee-jerk reaction that we saw yesterday? I mean, the S&P had a huge update on what amounted to no news, just, what appeared to be a bounce. I think kind of the more interesting piece of this morning is that the NASDAQ was up by far the most of any of the indexes yesterday, and is not really getting back much of what it made. That's usually a sign that when the loss leader is the strong one, that's a good sign that, maybe just a little reversion, nothing too serious to be paying attention to. All right. I would point out that, man, VIX futures got way oversold yesterday. They're back up above 12 today, but barely. August in particular, I think, is too cheap relative to the balance of the index. Right? July at 1.7 with the 4th of July in there, maybe not insane. August seems too cheap. I'll just lay it out there. I think a 60-cent spread is incorrect. Meanwhile, September is 14. So there's definitely a major issue there where August appears to be too cheap. Yes, there's an extra week, but still, I think something's wrong there. Kind of following stocks today, Apple's down a little bit. Amazon continues just to kind of hover around 1,000. Not doing a lot more than that, but it's hovering around 1,000. Facebook continues its strength. The financials, which were really strong yesterday, are not as strong. And so, what stocks are we going to be looking at today? I want to take another look at GE. We've been kind of stalking this iron condor, and I don't see why it won't work. It's just about getting it executed. Because it's not like GE stock has done very much in the last week. So there might be something to trade in GE. It's been, ever since it got the little new CEO pop, it's been pretty range bound. We can, again, look at Whole Foods Market. We currently have nothing on right now. I've got a few little baby trades, but there is some opportunity to play in this one. I truly believe that there new opportunity presents itself, especially with volatility now getting so splashed today. Maybe another opportunity to step in and try and trade some things. I want to take another look at JWN. Since the family came in and said, hey, we're looking at buying our family company back, it had a nice pop, but now it's not really done much. So with it down $1 a day and volatility up, I may dip my toe into this one as a merger arb play. Not really an arb, I guess, but a merger play. We had a trader send me a Costco idea, and I'm going to look at that in the chat room. In SPX, these cheapy, out-of-the-money bull calendars have been kind of fun, so we may play around with one of those. And then finally, we look at VIX, VXY, VXX every day. We're always looking for trades in those names. That's kind of the way we operate. All right, folks, if you have questions, you can email me, mark@opship.com. You can call me 888-TRADE-01. Watch the NASDAQ. If that thing starts to really go red, that's going to pull the whole market. If it sits here or pulls itself back to green, this may be just a little morning pump fake. Have a good morning. Oh yeah, oil is being crushed. We will look at that as well. That's a good point. Oil is getting myrtleized. So that'll be one to play with. All right. Have a good one.